Children, our third measure of central tendency in STAT is median. Today we learned about median, its formula, how to find and all. Now, you have studied about median. What is median? Try to think what we learned last year. If a data is arranged in ascending or descending order, median is the middlemost value. Arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. That is important. The data should be arranged first, then the middlemost value of the data is called the median. Now, when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, the number of observations can be either odd or even number. So, when the number of observation n is odd, the formula to find median equals value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. Median equals value of n plus 1 by 2th observation, where n is the number of observation. There is an example given there. 7, 5, 6, 1, 3. Now here, the data, is it arranged in ascending or descending order? No. So we can arrange it first. Smallest number will be 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 observations. Therefore, median equals, what was the formula? Value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. Value of 5 plus 1 by 2th observation, which is equal to value of 5 plus 1 means 6. 6 by 2, third observation. And here, which is the third observation? 5. So, median of the given data here is 5. The middlemost value of the given data is 5. Similarly, when n is even, median is equal to half into value of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So, when n is odd, median is value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. When n is even, median equals half into value of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. There is an example here, 5, 2, 10, 1. We have to find the median of that data. So, what is the first step? Arrange it in ascending or descending order. So, if I am arranging it 1, 2, 5, 10. How many observations are there? 4 observations. So, that is an even number. So, median equals value of 4 by 2th plus value of 4 by 2 plus 1th observation. 4 by 2 means second observation and 4 by 2 plus 1 means third observation. What is the second observation here? 2. What is the third observation? 5. 5 plus 2, 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5. So, here the median is 3.5. So, like this we can find the median for an individual series or for ungrouped data. Now, children, before going into the median of the grouped data, we will learn about cumulative frequency. Consider mark of 15 students. Here marks are given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Number of students are given 2, 3, 4 and 6. You can add 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15 students. That means from 0 to 5 marks, how many students are there? 2 students. Between 5 mark and 10 mark, how many students are there? 3. Between 10 to 15, 4 students, and from 15 to 20, 6 students are there. Okay? Now children, look into the table closely and can you tell me how many students got less than 5 mark? Less than 5 mark. Between 0 and 5 there are 2 students. So how many students got less than 5 mark? 2 students got less than 5 mark. Can you tell me how many students got marks less than 10? Look into the table clearly children. Marks between 5 to 10 is 3. Okay. Now I asked you how many students got marks less than 10. So how many will be there less than 10? 2 plus 3, 5 students. Then can you tell me how many students are there with marks less than 15? Yes, think quickly and tell me the answer. How many students are there with marks less than 15? It will be 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. Very good. And how many students are there with mark less than 20? It will be 15 students. Okay. So, we can say the cumulative frequency of class 5 to 10 is 5. How many students got less than 10 mark? 5 students. That same thing we can say it as cumulative frequency of class 5 to 10 equals 5. Then can you tell me the cumulative frequency of class 10 to 15? That will be 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. So cumulative frequency means the collective frequency. So I can rearrange the table and write it. Marks less than 5. How many students got mark less than 5? 2 students. How many students got less than 10 mark? 2 plus 3, 5 students. How many students got mark less than 15? 5 plus 4, 9 students. And how many students got less than 20? 9 plus 16, 9 plus 6, 15. So these two tables I am going to combine and write it here. Marks, that means our class interval, frequency is given. We need to write the cumulative frequency. For marks less than 5 means 2 students itself. Now marks less than 10, how can I write? 2 plus 3, 5. Mark less than 15, 9. And marks less than 20, 15. So first number I wrote it same. Then to get the cumulative frequency, add 3 plus 2. To get the next cumulative frequency, 4 plus 5, 6 plus 9, 15. What is the total number of students? 15. So this number and this number will be same. So this table where I have written less than type is known as less than type cumulative frequency table. Similarly, we can write more than type frequency table also. Similarly, we can make a table for number of students with marks more than or equal to 0, more than or equal to 5 and so on. Let's see how it is. This was our data. Between 0 to 5 mark, there were 2 students. Then between 5 to 10 there were 3 students. Now children, can you tell me, more than or equal to 0, how many students got marks more than 0? Total how many students were there who got marks more than 0? It is 15 students. Then more than or equal to 5, how many students got marks more than or equal to 5? So between 0 and 5 we are not taking, we are taking the number of students who got more than or equal to 5. How can we write it? It will be 15 minus 2, 13. More than or equal to 10. How many students got marks more than or equal to 10? From the table find out 4 plus 6, 10. And how many students are there who got marks more than or equal to 15? 6. So this is a table where more than type is written, and this table is called more than or equal to frequency table. Now with the help of this we can find the median. If you know the cumulative frequency of a data, we can find the median with the help of the following formula. Median equals L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. I am repeating, median is equal to L plus, look into the board children, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the total frequency, Cf cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, f frequency of the median class, and h class size. Okay, so this is the next formula that you have to learn after mean and mode. What is the formula? Median's formula, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the frequency, f is the frequency of the median class, h is the class size, and Cf is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. When we do problems, you can understand more. Okay?